tax sale master. My name is Ken Materno. I do tax lien and tax deed investing. Very quickly, I have a private coach, Casey Everhart, and Casey explained to me what you're going to do to your people you meet. You're going to show them all the tax liens that you're purchasing, and you're going to show them all the properties we're foreclosing on, which I really don't like to do. Okay? And then we're going to show you on our social media starting next week every single property that we're foreclosing on or that we've owned. That means we're foreclosing on near 100 properties. So my coach, Casey Everhart, basically explained, you're going to show them black and white the properties you're foreclosing on that we're buying for $2,000 and $3,000 around the country that's worth $150,000. So anyways, we have a free Zoom class if you'd like to come on Monday night at 6 p.m. Okay? I'll be in the back. If you'd like to sign up, it's free. We don't sell you nothing at all, a dime. And we're doing very, very, very well in our business in the tax sales. Thank you very much.